If I'm telling a story to children, it has to be what their age group, what they can connect with. It's like customer relations. I was a customer relations. So you understand the target audience. If it's a college going student, their target, what they are seeking from you is very different. Now, I might have a story which, according to me, is the most fantastic story.
Correct.
But if it's a story that you do not like, if that audience does not enjoy,
No
it
use.
doesn't work.
No use.
So that's the most important. Try to understand your customer or your target audience.
Correct.
Be very observant. Don't be, and we try not to be judgmental or whatever. Have an opinion and say this is the right way. Keep it open so that everybody. That's the whole idea. And read a lot. I would say read along the world.
That is the funda of that today.
And script your stories. Now, most people assume that when you're storytelling, you take a book and you read that story. Tell the story from starting to beginning. No, that's not how. I might start from the ending and come to the beginning. I might start somewhere from the...
Okay.
So make it interesting. Add your inputs to it without changing the author's vision.
Correct.
Keep the author's vision. You enhance the story, embellish the story, but do not. You can't change it and say, okay, this was that book and I adapted it. Yes, keep the spirit, but you can do. But just telling the story, once upon a time there was this one. That is
nobody likes. Nobody.
So as storytellers, it's your duty to make it interesting, fun. As I always call myself an edutainer. For children, when it comes to children, because there is entertainment, but there's also something educational without being overt about it.
Okay, edutainer. Wonderful thought and wonderful perspective also. Now, definitely, I'm very sure now my students will try to read a story according to you, and they will try to script it also.
Yes. Scripting is the hero.
Hero of that, correct. If you start scripting now, you will enjoy more.
It builds on your writing skills.
Yeah, correct. Language will improve, your entertainment will improve,
and you'll see it from another perspective.
Correct.
We are always telling the thirsty crow from the perspective of the crow.
Correct.
What if it is from the perspective of that jar of water? It is seeing somebody coming to take water, not cause but proc. Water, a stone falls into it. So you're telling it totally from the perspective of the jar, of that picture. Or it could be from the perspective of that stone. I'm just saying, oh, one picked up. Oh, my friend is also going in. Oh, my other friend is going in. Oh, it's water. It's cold over here. And you're rising. So, yes, it's a different. Same story told different.
Same story we have listened so many times. And we told so many times.
Yes.
But this is a different perspective.
Yes. As a storyteller, it's your duty to work in different
like that.
Yes.
Correct. Wow.